Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Steve Torsa. I'm the founder of Wholesale Investor and CapitalHQ. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the productivity tools that can help founders streamline their capital raise so that you can spend up to 80% less time in capital raising mode, improve your conversion rate, and then ultimately raise more capital. So raising capital is a critical and often challenging task for most founders. It's very emotional. You go through a lot of ups and downs in the process. It does require planning and organization to ensure success. Thankfully, there are several productivity tools available to help founders navigate the complex process more effectively. In this video, we're going to be exploring 4 powerful tools: CapitalHQ, our software that we've built for the capital raising process; Notion, Beautiful.ai for pitch decks, and also ChatGPT. First up, we have CapitalHQ. CapitalHQ is a comprehensive investor engagement platform. It is designed so that you can simplify and streamline your capital raising process. We have built this from the ground up with the mindset of how do we streamline and simplify communications for investors and founders when they're engaging in the capital raising process. For many founders, utilizing CapitalHQ, they can save up to 80% of their time that they would normally spend raising capital just because of the way in which information is organized and structured. For you as a founder, mostly what you're thinking about is how can I raise capital right now? With CapitalHQ, it's designed to actually benefit the short, medium, and long-term capital requirements of your business. Next up, we have Notion. Many describe Notion as almost being like your second brain. It's an all-in-one workspace designed to help streamline a lot of the things which you're going to do on a day-to-day basis. And effectively, it has great tools like project management, Kanban boards, calendars, etc., but even templates, CRMs that you can use, etc., to help you seamlessly organize the process and effectively, note ideas, follow up information, etc., integrates with pretty much every different software you can imagine, and has basically become a foundational core part of everything that I use, from a business perspective. Next up, we have Beautiful.ai. If you're like me, I suck at using PowerPoint. I hate it. I basically always had to use other people to do it. Beautiful.ai has been life-changing for me because it really allows me to express my thoughts, express what I'm thinking, and some of the concepts and strategies I have, and document it quite easily. From a pitch deck perspective, it makes it really, really easy. As long as you have a way to upload your sort of templates, your logos, colors, etc., everything else is then streamlined from there. So effectively utilize this tool, and best of all, this can actually be used quite well with ChatGPT in the actual organization of information. Beautiful.ai does utilize AI and can help you actually structure whatever stage of capital raising you're at, whether it be seed, Series A, Series B, etc. It can assist you in the creation of your presentation. I said in the past I would spend months on this. Now that has gone down to hours with how helpful Beautiful.ai is. And lastly, ChatGPT. If you are not using ChatGPT, you are absolutely wasting your time. Effectively, ChatGPT allows you to take what previously took weeks in between all the different meetings you have and all the different things that you have to do, and now it makes things into seconds. For me, whether it be your capital raising email that you're doing, whether it be invites, effectively set up your own capital raising GPT, spend time creating the right prompts, spend time on your custom instructions so that they're set up correctly. And then effectively with ChatGPT, what previously would take, as I said, take you months because you're doing things in between meetings and all the different things you have to do as a founder, this can now take seconds to do. We do have a bunch of AI prompts and so forth as part for our subscribers and for our clients that we actually provide, but you can do this yourself. Set up your custom instructions right, set up a capital raising GPT, and let ChatGPT go to work for you in creating a lot of the content that you're going to require. So in conclusion, productivity tools like CapitalHQ, like Notion, like Beautiful.ai, and also like ChatGPT, can significantly help founders in their capital raising efforts. By leveraging these tools, you as a founder can optimize your time, optimize your resources, but ultimately you increase the potential of how much you can actually raise as you're going through the process because you're a lot more structured, you're a lot more efficient, and you're a lot more organized. And best of all, you are simplifying for the process for the investor in becoming a shareholder in your business. You've got to remember, money moves towards efficiency. And when you're competing with a lot of other companies that are raising capital, if you can make the process more streamlined and efficient for the investor, then that ultimately works in your benefit as a founder that's raising capital. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it informative. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.